So class, now let us learn about logarithmic differentiation. Now before learning about this, let us first learn about logarithm. Now if you have b raised to the power y equal to x, then we read that as log x to the base b is equal to y. Now, if in the place of b, you instead have the real number e, then we read as log x to the base e is equal to y. Remember here, the base is not seen. It is not shown to you, but this will be the notation which you'll be using in class 12. And from class 12 onwards, whenever the base is not seen or not shown, you must understand that the base is e. So log x equal to y. Remember, log has a base e. Other formulas you can get from your textbook and you can learn on your own. To make it more familiar to you, let us take these two examples. So you have the base 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8, and we read this as log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. And the second example, 10 raised to the power 4 equal to 10,000, we read as log 10,000 to the base 10 is equal to 4. So let us say you have this problem, y equal to x raised to the power x. So this is a problem in an exponential form. And problems like these are quite difficult to solve because there is no direct formula where you can apply to find out the derivative of such functions. So to make it simpler, to simplify it, we apply the logarithm. Now when you apply the logarithm, the function in an exponential form will be transformed into simpler functions where you can easily differentiate and obtain the derivative of the function. So after you have simplified a given function, you are now ready to find out the derivative of the given function. So what we have to do is we simply differentiate on both sides with respect to x. That means you should have dx in the denominator. But there is a problem right from the first equation. There you have log y instead of log x. So if you have log y, then there is no formula for that. But if you use the chain rule, then this problem can be easily solved. Now, after applying a chain rule, in the fourth step, you see, you are applying the product rule. In the product rule, what we do is, first we differentiate log x, we keep aside x. Then we differentiate x with respect to x, keep aside log x. Then after you have done that, then you can easily find out dy by dx, which is the derivative of the given function. So that is how we do it, and these are the steps where you need to follow almost all the time. So you must also learn this one very important fact. It starts like this. If b is raised to the power x and the whole thing is equal to a, that we can read as log a to the base b is equal to x. Now that x from equation 2, if we substitute it back in equation 1, what will we get? we will be getting b log a to the base b is equal to a. Now, if in the place of b you have e, and in the place of a you have x, then on the right hand side you have x. Remember, e you can leave, you can simply write log without showing the base e. So this is a very important fact. So the last line is a very important fact which you need to remember always. So here you have a simple x, but sometimes remember you can have x squared, you can have x squared plus 1, but this fact will always be true whatever may be in the place of x.